People who grind or clench their teeth at night already understand the importance of wearing a night guard while they sleep. They also know that due to the powerful nature of grinding teeth, sleep guards won't last forever. So, how long do night guards last? It depends on the type of teeth grinding guard, but we're here to look at the lifespans of them and when you can expect to replace them. First, there are two different kinds of sleep guards that you can purchase. The first is an over-the-counter guard that are boil and bites. These are found at Walmart, your local drugstore, or ordered online through Amazon. Once you receive these night guards, you'll heat up the material in hot boiling water. When that material is at the right temperature, you'll bite into it and form an impression on the night guard. How long do night guards last? Well, these boil and bite night guards will only last around 3 to 6 months, depending on the material and how severely you grind your teeth. Teeth grinding guards that you buy over the counter are created with cheap material. You'll need to continue to buy these cheap night guards to semi-protect yourself while you sleep. The problem with the boil and bite night guards is that they are bulky and can feel uncomfortable. You may have difficulty sleeping while wearing them, and they do the bare minimum when protecting your teeth. So, boil and bite sleep guards are one option, but there's also the option of custom night guards. These are crafted by your dentist or can be purchased online through SportingSmiles. How long do night guards last? Custom night guards last 1 to 2 years with proper care. They may last longer if you're a light grinder or clencher. If you choose to get one from your dentist, you'll need to schedule a visit and receive a dental examination and potential x-rays. There's a chance that you'll need insurance too. Your dentist will take impressions of your teeth, and then in a few weeks, you'll need to schedule another visit to pick up the custom teeth grinding guard. The good news is that these occlusal guards are much more protective and comfortable than the boil and bite guards. But the bad news is that these night guards from the dentist are extremely expensive. You can expect to pay hundreds of dollars. So how long do night guards last? Custom night guards can last 2 years or longer with proper care and cleaning. SportingSmiles offers custom night guards at half the cost of the dentist and without the need to schedule any visits. By ordering a custom sleep guard, you'll receive the patented impression kit where you will take easy at home impressions and ship them back with free 3-way shipping. From there, the team at SportingSmiles can craft you one of 6 custom night guards, with each one being designed to fight either clenching, grinding, or both. If you'd like a long-lasting night guard that offers maximum protection without sacrificing comfort, a custom night guard is your best bet. You'll need to replace the boil and bite guards often, and they won't be able to withstand all the grinding and clenching. Custom ones are crafted with different materials that are more durable, and you can receive a custom sleep guard from your dentist or from SportingSmiles. If you are interested in a custom night guard from SportingSmiles, all you have to do is click the link below.